Welcome back to my channel, friends. Happy Valentine's Day. This is the last video for my countdown to Valentine's Day since it is Valentine's Day. I've got one final unboxing for you, and this one is from Chanel. So these pieces I actually purchased about almost a year ago. I purchased it during a spring vacation to Orlando with my family. I have to admit that part of the reason I haven't unboxed these pieces really it goes back to time just flying by, and I wanted to share them on my channel and unbox them for you and just never got around to doing it. So as I said, I did pick these up about a year ago, but I think that this is a perfect time to open them up because I think that they are going to be great to use for Valentine's Day. So let's go ahead and start with the smaller box. So obviously this is an SLG. And since if you've been with my channel for a while, you know my penchant for matching SLGs. You should have an idea based on the color of this one. So this is my latest SLG. It is a zippy coin holder in caviar leather in this gorgeous purple shade from the 22 P collection, I think, or maybe the 22S collection, I can't remember. Does have the authenticity card, and let's see, what is this? That's interesting. Never had one of these before. I guess this is the tag to make sure that you haven't stolen it. So that's the first time they've ever left one of these in an item. I am super excited. This will go pair nicely with a card holder that I have that's actually in lambskin, but I'm going to enjoy this because it is in the caviar leather. Next, this larger box. If you haven't already guessed, it is a handbag. This is the latest addition to my collection. It is a seasonal bag, but I'm super excited to share it with you. So this, oops, still wrapped up in all the paper. This latest addition to my collection. So this is I believe this is a Cocoa Crush. It does have the adjustable strap, has the ball that you can, let me see if I can show that to you. Does have the ball with the CC that if you push down, it does allow you, should allow you to adjust, supposed to allow you to adjust the, there we go, the length of the strap. Although I don't know how crazy I'm going to be with having this just kind of dangle, but it does allow for you to adjust this to a cross body length and or a shoulder length. This is a seasonal bag, and this is in the lambskin as opposed to my SLG, which is in the caviar leather. Has the Mona Lisa pocket, as you can see. Here's a view of the side, the front with the age gold hardware and the CC turn lock. The other side and the bottom with the quilts. If we open this up, it's got the felt, some stuffing, and as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, this is kind of neat. It's a different look to it. It has a kind of golden bronzy colored leather interior. It does have a slip pocket as well as a zippered pocket. And because this is part of the 2022 line, it comes with let's see if you can, it does come with the chip. So this is a very kind of soft bag, as you can see. It has lost a little bit of its structure. Does that bother me? Not particularly. It's super soft, and I think that this is going to be a great Valentine's Day bag. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of these two complementary, not matching pieces. If you enjoyed these kinds of videos, please give this a thumbs up, and I would love it if you join my small YouTube family by hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you are alerted to any future videos. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day with your special Valentine, and please, as always, stay safe. Have a wonderful week ahead. Bye.